In this video, guys, I would like to show you the real power of getters and setters. Because in this time, maybe you think, okay, the getter just get the price. The price is private and you can get it, so it means you can reach it somewhere here. And setter, okay, it makes sense that there is some type of logic, but that's it. So I need to call the set price, put there a new price, okay, but it can be a normal method. Why setter, right? So the main power is if the getter and setter work together. So I will show you. Here I will change the price to the public attribute like this. Okay, the price now is a public attribute, and here I would like to put only this one book, okay, because I want to make it simple. So here the price is 50. The price goes here, okay. So now I would like to print book one dot price. I will run it and you can see 50. That's normal, that's completely normal, because price is public attribute, correct? But now I would like to change it a little bit, and here I would like to call it just price, and here call it just price as well. So, and now we can put here something with or what we call a decorator. What does it mean, decorator? We will speak about decorators later, but now the decorator means, so you can write something like this. It's a prepared decorator, and decorator is a part of code which will run before the method. So anytime you will call this method, the first is the code of the decorator. So at any time you will call the price, the property decorator will run first, and after that the method will run as well. Okay, so it means there is connection between it. Okay, so now what does it mean, the property decorator? Property decorator, how I said, it's a prepared decorator. You can create your own decorator if you want, but we will speak about that later. So the property means that you can use this method like attribute. So it means if you want to call this method price, you will call it like price without brackets. So it means now here, if I will run it, you will see 50, but you don't call this attribute. You don't call it. You call this method. Okay, because the property method, how I said, it means you can use this method like attribute. So you can use the price like an attribute. And what does it mean? It means that you don't have to call it like a function, like a method. So you don't have to use the brackets. Okay, so this call the getter. Okay, so in this time it's impossible to call price like this, okay, like book one dot price, because book one dot price call this, and here there can be some type of logic as well, but we will keep it simple, okay, like only like this. But what about setter? The setter, the price here, the name is the same like this, okay, and it can be slightly confusing, but that's the point, because there is connection between the setter and getter. So now I would like to use a decorator as well, and the decorator is called price. Why price? Because the price is here. Okay, we have price here. So if this decorator say if the price is set, so please call this method like the setter. So it means call it automatically. Okay, so what does it mean? So if I have a $50, okay, it's the price of the book, so I would put here 50 and store it like self.price. Okay, but the problem is that the self.price it will run setter automatically. Okay, so because self.price is this setter. Okay, so it call the setter automatically. So it means it will evaluate the price. So the 50 is a new price, and it evaluate the 50, and it will store in the self __ price, or print the price must be a positive number. Okay, so is it true? We will see. If I will call book1.price, just a second, I will clear it. I will run it. You can see 50. Okay, that's correct, because how we said this is the getter. Okay, because we have a property here, so we don't have to write there brackets. Okay, because of the property decorator. But now I would like to put here, for example, minus 10. So I will put here minus 10, run it. Oh, sorry. So it means that at first we can't call a getter here. Okay, at first we need to set something, and after that we can get it. Okay, so that was the problem why we had an error here. So I will run it, and you can see the price must be a positive number. But you can see I don't call this setter here somewhere. It's not here, it's not anywhere. Why? Because if I will put minus 10, so minus 10 will be stored here, and it run the setter automatically, because the name price is the name of the setter. So it means the minus 10 will be here. Minus 10 is equal then 0. No, it's not. We will print this. Okay, and if I would put here 20 like this, I will run it, and you can see no errors here. Okay, or no text, the price must be a positive number. Why? Because 20 is stored here, but it will run setter automatically with the name price. So now the $20 is a new price. $20 is greater than 0. Yes, it's true. So we will store it in self __ price. Okay, and that's it. So you can see the power. Okay, and if you need to reach the price, you can call the attribute, or so sorry, you can call the getter. Okay, because book1.price is a getter. Okay, how we said, and it's 20. Perfect. So I know it's slightly confusing for you guys, but you need to understand how it works. Okay, so I hope that you understand the basics. So once again, if we have a price, it will store here, but it will run setter automatically with the name price setter, and the price will be stored, or the 20 will be a new price. It will evaluate and will set in self __ price, and we can use self __ price in another methods if we need. Okay, and this is the power of getters and setters.